the movement pharmacy itself has got different pillars. It's got each body part, whether it's the upper body, whether it's the back, whether it's anything to do in your center, diaphragm and breathing included, or the lower body. You've got it section by section. So for example, if you do go to the shoulder, you have the whole anatomical breakdown in this imagery-based way, and it will massively help you understand, gain knowledge, and really go in depth explaining exactly that anatomy to you, so that you can then take it away and bring it to your practitioner in a very informed and knowledge-based way. It gives you the biomechanics, it gives you injury prevention in your daily life around the shoulder here, for example. It gives you this for every body part, and then also the exercises and some of the jargon that's used in the anatomical way. So to get this all on one platform, you will be able to talk to your practitioner so much better and get such a good understanding of how to translate anatomy into a mover's way, and how to translate movers' language into a more anatomical way, so that you can optimally converse with your environment and vice versa.